car stuff and other stuff has been lacking here. Repair stuff and a lot of other stuff for a reason. Definitely for a reason. Definitely been overwhelmed, busy, and also just pondering about what is worth your time and what is not worth your time because of the result that I get out of it. Not the result like I'll do bad work or anything, but just overall the result, meaning that can it stay good, intact, undamaged? And the answer is always no, 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 no. It gets damaged, it can't get intact, and you have to redo it again and again and again, or it's on a waiting period, just another endless thing on your mind that you have to now fix because someone else damaged it, and it's in the thousands of dollars the cost to fix it. Thousands of dollars, and I did not break it. So that's why we're kind of don't do car stuff anymore. We're also kind of over hoarded a little bit, as you see. Just hold on. Okay. Hold on, just hoarding a little bit, okay. Hoarding. It's mostly empty boxes, that's all empty shit over there. We're gonna go through those. We're saving them because we're trying to liquidate stuff, and you just don't know when things are gonna sell. This is what the market's like now. You have these idiots, right? I'm gonna say like 2 years ago, I put a 2 over there, 2 years ago, these idiots were overspending, so an O. Overspending, spending, we can't find it. We can't find it, so we're overspending it. Okay. So they spent all this extra money on shit. And now, and for now, you have, like my chalkboard, you have people who maybe are losing their job, maybe can't afford their car payment, maybe the inflation is getting to them, who are selling stuff at a loss. So we could do an S and an L, selling stuff at a loss. And so 2 years ago they were overspending, now they are selling things at a loss. So how does that really help the situation when 2 years ago you were spending too much and now you're letting things go at a loss? Like, people are selling stuff at a profit margin, there is no profit margin. It is cheaper for you to throw it out than to actually liquidate it. But for whatever reason, they're stupid. I don't know. But you can actually get a decent number for things, but it just takes a little longer to sell. If you want instant doesn't exist in this market anymore. So, I don't know. People don't get that shit though. You're cutting yourself short, you're being dumb, and overall, you're losing. And then with the new tax system and everything, if you're selling it online, tack on 15% on all your stuff. 15%. Because they're probably, or 15.3%, I believe is the actual number. I don't know. That's a interesting time. So we've been busy with that. And the car stuff, like I said, I do it. I fix it. Within about 1 hour, 1 mile, things trashed. Every week, someone is causing thousands of dollars of damage. Every week, thousands of dollars of damage. Running over something, breaking something, thousands of dollars a week. Easy of damage. Inside, outside, everything that I have fixed on this channel has been broken. And it wasn't by me. Okay, so that's why we were done with the car stuff, and we still have window tint. Why can't we do window tint though? You see, window tint would be fucking easy, right, on the car? But no, years ago they sparked the windows, so I have 2 windows that are bad. I have 1 crappy used window. The original beautiful window is ruined. The original window in the back is also ruined. I don't have a replacement window for that, you know. And there we go, just tinting your windows. So now you're going to tint the windows and have nice black windows again so you don't get cooked in the sun. But I can't do it because it's been damaged. The white truck. I don't even own the fucking thing. Okay, but all the paint's peeling off. Okay. At this point in time, I wanted to do something with it to fix it properly because the paint's peeling off. If the paint's peeling off and it's rusting and it's going to have rust holes in it, there is no point doing anything else to that vehicle because it's going to be ruined, it's going to have rust holes. Okay, so paint it. Okay. So I was picking away with it on the right side. Okay, I know I did all the holes and shit. I actually bought a fucking welder, and maybe one day I'll buy gas. I'll weld up the holes myself when I can. Well, now I actually can because the crazy guy next door, he has left. Now I pretty much do whatever I want. No one bitches to me anymore. He used to bitch about everything. If I opened the hood and charged my battery, he'd be running up to the office saying I was working on cars. That guy was a horrible guy. So, anyway, we knew that the problem, but the previous crash damage that I didn't wreck, by the way, I didn't fuck up the door, I didn't fuck up the right side, okay, but I'm left with it, I guess, maybe, I don't know, because I'm using a thing. I'm left with the burden again, I get fucked. So, that gets done. I was gonna go fix all that up, you know, weld all the drilled holes, maybe rust, whatever, a little rust hole in the back, shit like that. It was planned. I was accumulating the shit I needed to do it myself in time, slowly, month by month. And then, like, the left side, just for fun, it seems like about every week for the last, about a year, I mean, about every week, maybe about every month, it's getting ran into. It's like a game. It's getting ran into. And that side is so far gone now that the whole truck may need a left side. So now there's the right side and the left side. So what's the point of fixing that when there's just thousands of dollars of damage on it? So that's one reason why we haven't been doing that. And that's one reason why the truck was broken. It was Memorial Day yesterday. It's the 30th or something today. The truck was broken on the 30th of 2022. And it took 7 months for me to fix it. And I was pondering about those 7 months. Is it even worth fixing it? But then after the hurricane, I said, yeah, it probably is worth this thing moving. Because, you know, you can have a flood and a storm and TikTok. So then after the hurricane, I fixed it. It wasn't what I thought it was, and it was actually okay, easy repair. It's kind of a rigged repair, but, you know, the whole other thing is rigged. So that's why we haven't been doing things with cars. Basically, everything is damaged. And if you have a damaged platform that keeps on getting damaged more and damaged more and damaged more, and it's not by me. It's not by me. It is pointless for me to continue with it. So that's why you haven't been seeing much car stuff on here. You know, what can I do about it? I don't know. Really nothing. So let things get destroyed. I was thinking about this, getting rid of everything. I might get rid of my parts thing. Like all the parts I have for this, I might get rid of because it's a lot of money. I'll put the garbage steering wheel back on, and any kind of garbage parts that I've made better on it, I'll just put the old parts back that are old and broken. You know, I'll just make it basically horrible. And then I'll do the same on the blue truck. I'll just take all my parts off and do the same thing on the white one. I don't know. We might. I'm thinking about it. Sure get a lot of money back. Other people in this world would appreciate that, you know. It's sad. You just can't be damaging stuff. So let's agree with that. Also, condo land is a shithole. It's really time to get out of here. I'm not even telling you what's going on in this place, but it's bad. It's really bad. You would better, like I say every day when I go out, or days I do go out, because some days I don't go out. Down the street, it is cooler. The weather is better. There is less crazy people, and it's probably more affordable. Just right down the road. Over here, over there, over there. It's crazy. Here is the hottest, most overcrowded, overheated place with the worst weather, with the most crazy people and noise and yelling and airplanes and helicopters flying over and gunshots maybe, or things popping and banging and cars racing. Right here. Horrible place. Horrible place. And luckily the power was kind of like fixed into storm. We only had a couple flickers. We used to lose power all the time. It's like a rare occurrence now, which is weird. So anyway, this camera is also dying, which is another reason why we don't do videos. But there's her update on that from Condoland Garage. Maybe one day Condoland Garage won't exist and all this shit's gonna be moved out. There's a box truck for sale, or a couple of them for like $33,000. It's too much. I don't get $33,000 to blow in a box truck, but prices are coming down. Some people want 60 to 40 for the same things with 200,000 miles on them, so prices are coming down. Wait for the crash. The crash is coming. Crash is good. People who then this government who think they're going to do something, they're not going to do anything. It's going to get worse. You're going to get screwed, as you always do. Yeah, this place is nowhere to live though. Crazy Gestapo bullshit. Might as well just walk around here in some German 1940s outfit or something. You know, it's terrible. The roundup. I don't want people to live in this place. And why do they even come to this state when most of the state, like 90% of that shit is HOA, and they keep on approving it? Well, that's actually a good thing. And they have like Little Ron now against Orange Man, and Orange Man should actually go after Little Ron and say like, why are they building all these HOA bullshits in the state that people can't afford? It's like the only thing that's available, opposed to housing that is affordable for people. It's not affordable at all. Maybe it's time just to leave this whole state thinking about it. It's cheaper other places. And yeah. Alright, so the video over. Now I'm going to charge this battery again because the battery's going to break. And yeah. Nightmare place this is. Alright, hopefully more people will buy stuff tomorrow. I don't know. You have to scrap some more shit out. Yeah, fixing stuff is weird. Gonna have to get the truck in here though, because the brakes are fucked up on it. It's pulling all over the place. Another thing, and don't really feel like fixing this because of just the deal on it. But I will. One day soon, maybe this week. And yeah, this place is just a compartment mess. And still, there's shit that's been around. I have not dealt with or seen, or maybe it's thrown out. That's another psychological mess that goes on around here. Things just go missing. I'm gonna play the same game soon. Let's make things go missing too. Maybe I'll go record it. Oh, where'd that go? I don't know. Gonna take fucking wheels off cars and shit. Oh, where'd the wheel go? I don't know. I don't know. Play the same game. So don't do that. Monkey from the banana. Yeah. Anyway, to survive this, don't sell low. Sell at a good price if you can. Try to get rid of your hoard. Clean out, cash it in, get something for it. That's what I'm working on. Because you're never going to survive just giving everything away. At that level too, when I feel like I'm selling stuff low, I figure that someone else can make extreme money off of me, and I just don't do that. I can't do it anymore. So man, maybe they can probably realistically sell this for $20 more, $10 if they put time into it. Then I'll say okay, I'll sell it. But I'm not at this thing when you can sell it someplace else and literally get $200, $300, $400 more for it. That's not me. Or I just scrap it and let no one have it. I do that sometimes too. Alright. So, you have work to do. But maybe the car stuff will be lacking. Because there really is no incentive to the car stuff. Because again, everything I do just gets destroyed. And it's not by me. And then what am I going to do? What am I going to do? Keep redoing it? Keep redoing it? Keep spending more money on the same fucking thing I repaired? On the same thing that I wasted time for? That I sweat my ass off? To just do it again and again? That's bullshit. That's bullshit. So anyway, what isn't bullshit is this air tank. And then I made this probably back in December. And now it's almost June, 6 months. And it's holding air. And it doesn't leak anymore. This ghetto ass plate I made because I didn't want to buy a tea. Block off. There's a little hole in there. I just put a gasket in a plate. That's pretty cool. I was running an air tank. I put a $1 for a 3 gallon, but 3 gallons better than no gallon. Don't destroy stuff. Seriously. Do not destroy stuff. It takes so much more time to fix it than what it was if you were not careless and you did not destroy it in the first place. Anyway, I think tomorrow's gonna rain. Back to that shit. And I don't know. It's the summertime, so more stuff to sell. Summertime people are serious people. Seasoned people are full of shit. But yeah. And this is a happening area too when you think about selling stuff, I complain about it compared to other areas. Other areas are extremely dead. About a week ago I went around just checking all these different areas and like the amount of listings. And I was judging the area, how sleepy it was from the amount of listings. Some areas can only get like 70 listings total. This area has thousands. I'm like, okay. It's a happening place, kind of. Could be. It's gotten better than what it was, but still shit. Condo land's really shit. Like I tell you, right down the road, I really don't like this area at all. But literally right down the road is like a 100% improvement. And it really is. 100%. Like just from here to there. 100. Out of this place. Be easy. Just for now, and then from there branch off just to get out of this place. Spread out, you can go through all your shit, and then leave there and boom, boom, boom. Go somewhere else. I'm thinking about a container house, maybe, eventually. If I get rid of more stuff. Okay, video over. Happy what I got rid of, and there's a lot more to do.